guys, welcome to my channel. So for this video guys, it's my birthday today. But before that, to show my handaan here, so I will sing first a happy birthday of myself. Happy birthday to me, happy birthday to me, happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to me. So, ayun guys, but now I will show you my little cake of myself. This one guys, oh. But this, I have no candle because I don't have money to buy a little candle. Only this little cake. I afford. Ano ba?
My son eat the cake.
But my son is very big eat, a very big kaon. Look at this, very big mouth. So, he ate my cake. Ano na ba?